The Rev Matching feature, found on some manual transmission N model Hyundais, adds another level of dynamic performance to your drive. When turned on, it optimizes gear downshifts by automatically matching the speed of the engine to the speed of the transmission. This makes for smoother downshifts on corner entry, helping the vehicle stay balanced. You can turn it on by pressing the Rev button on the steering wheel. It's also automatically turned on as part of N mode, and it's adjustable as part of the custom mode configuration. To adjust it, select N mode on the touchscreen. Then select Custom. Select Rev Matching. Here, you have 4 options. Off turns off the Rev Matching feature. Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus turn the feature on, with increasing levels of aggressiveness in how quickly the Rev Matching reacts. When turned on, the mode indicator will display on the instrument cluster. When the driver decelerates for an upcoming corner, engages the clutch, and then shifts into a lower gear, the engine will automatically rev to a higher RPM, allowing the shift to take place smoothly. You can learn more about N mode driving by reading the tutorial on the touchscreen. Select N mode, then the menu icon, then Tutorial. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.